traders, Coach Melvin here. So another day, another trade education tayo. And for today's video, ang ating i-take up ay yung paano ba mag-deposit sa ating Vantage account. At ang aking ituturo ay yung pinakasimpleng method using local bank transfer via QRPH. So dito magge-generate ito ng QR at kahit ano pang online bank meron ka na meron ng QR payment facility, magagamit mo. Even your e-wallets like the Maya, the GCash, and Philippine banks gaya ng BDO, BPI, Metrobank. Alright, so let's get started. No? Una, kailangan nyo mag-login sa inyong client portal. So pag sinabing client portal, ito po ay yung Vantage website. So ang pang-login natin dito, either your registered email with Vantage or your registered mobile number po. Alright, so once you're logged in, punta kayo sa Funds tab. No? So dito sa Funds tab, you can choose the account that you want to deposit to. So, kung may listahan dyan, drop down mo lang and select the desired account. So, let's say dito ako magdi-deposit, no? And enter your desired amount. So, for example, $50. Okay? And then, click continue. Alright, so lalabas dito yung ating mga payment methods, no? So, we have the local bank transfer, we can have cryptocurrency, credit card, e-wallets. But for our video, we will take up C, local bank transfer, at piliin natin dito yung secondary. Alright? So again, Philippine Instant Bank Transfer, secondary. And then click continue. So ngayon dito, meron tayong summary and then just click pay now. Alright, so nakalabas na dito yung amount in pesos, no? Based on the prevailing exchange rate. And click pay now. Then lalabas yung Dragon Pay na page. Okay, so dun sa Dragon Pay, ito yung ating payment channel. Meron tayo ditong drop down. So just click the drop down and dito na select QRPH. Alright? So dito QRPH, then click the I agree to the terms and conditions and click select. Tada! Ayan, so nag-generate na po yung QR code. So ang gagawin nyo na lang dito, go to your mobile app ng mga online bank mo, Metrobank, BDO, BPI, or even GCash. No? Tapos, pay via QR code, i-scan mo lang yan. Okay? Kung halimbawa naman, binabrowse mo ito, yung client portal using your mobile phone, ang gawin mo, screenshot mo ito para mapunta mo na sa gallery mo. Tapos, tsaka ka mag-proceed sa iyong online banking and then, upload QR ka. Alright? Kasi di mo ma-scan dahil you're using the same phone, no? For browsing. So, upload QR and it will lead you to the deposit page na nakalagay na yung destination ng account details and the amount. And it will be deducted na lang sa iyong bank account. Alright? And then wait for a few seconds or minutes, it will be credited na sa trading account and you can already start trading. Alright, so ang beauty po ng method na ito, medyo wala ho kayo masyadong risk na baka magkamali kayo ng account number, kung saan o maligaw pa yung perang i-deposit nyo, no, due to human errors. Kasi po, yung QR code ay i-generate na mismo nung system natin. Alright, so it's simple, it's safe, and it's fast. Alright, so stay tuned for some other educational videos that we will be sharing. Thank you!